All right, let's check out this brand new AeroForce 466304-0003 Turbo. This is an AeroForce, which is a brand of Hartzell Engine Technologies made in Alabama. This particular turbo is installed on a lot of applications, particularly the TSI 0550C and K, so it's on your Columbias, it's on your Cirruses, it's on a lot of Lancer experimentals. It's nice and clean, so I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown of what this is and how it works. So this is going to bolt right to your exhaust right here. This is what's mainly holding the turbo onto the airplane or the engine, with 4 bolts going to the exhaust. And what happens, exhaust comes up down here under pressure. Now there's a wastegate that tells you how much exhaust, but we're not gonna talk about that. So for now, exhaust is coming in here under pressure, and then what it does is it spins this turbine wheel right here really, really fast. And you see how tight tolerance these things are. I took these covers off because just for the demonstration, but when it's just sitting here waiting to be installed, we want to keep these off because we don't want anything to get in there that would cause any problems. So this spins, and this is connected to the compressor section, which is on the front. Okay, so your air is coming in here, it's compressed, and it comes out and it goes to the engine's intake system here. So air is coming in, it's compressed, and it goes around like this. Now, there's also some oil lubrication. In the center, there's some bearings, and those bearings have to be lubricated, all right? So as this turbo is mounted to the airplane, there's gonna be an oil hose here and an oil hose here. That's something you can always look for, any leaks where these hoses come in, and you're gonna have oils going in one side, out the other, and it's coming across and it's lubricating these bearings here, keeping everything lubricated, nice and cool.